I am stooping down by this glass right here. Yeah, so real quick, I'm about to make some keto coffee from scratch. And I want you to see all the ingredients that I put in keto coffee when I make it from home versus having the lovely, wonderful, easy convenience of using my fabulous keto coffee. And some of y'all are not going to do this. So you might as well get the keto coffee and drink coffee with benefits. So, what am I going to need? So I had to stand up. All you're going to see is shirt. MCT oil. Collagen. By the way, this collagen is only one type of collagen in here. It's not like my fabulous collagen works that has 5 types. Gonna need some maca green tea. I use stevia. I actually use grass-fed butter. And I also use plain butter. But this is grass-fed butter. And I'm only going to use half of that. Let's see what I do that. I got my heavy whipping cream. Oh, see, I almost forgot one person. Over here. Salt. And of course, coffee, which is brewed back there. So we're going to put our dry ingredients in first. So let me get my cup up here. I'll start with the salt. Oh yeah, that's good. You can see that. Put 2 scoops of this collagen. And before I discovered actually I started drinking keto coffee before It Works came out with their keto coffee. So this is why I have already sourced these items. So that was 1 scoop of stevia. Let me see if it's in the room. I need a spoon. Now, if you watch any of my videos when I make my It Works keto coffee, you know I add 2 additional ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and do this here as well. You know I'm going to make my packet of keto coffee though, because it is delicious. Like, delicious. So, you know I like to add turmeric for its benefits. Look it up. And of course cinnamon for its benefits, besides tasting good. All right, I'm going to stir this up. So I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream, make it pasty. Add my squirt of MCT oil. Stir it. Now I use this mug so you can see me make it, but you can see my coffee cup is right here. And of course I'm going to add me more heavy whipping cream. But let's taste it. Let me squat down. I think I put every. Oh Lord, no! You know I forgot one thing. Oh, one thing. Butter makes everything taste better, baby. No, you don't need the whole stick of butter. Folks sure enough know how to exaggerate. Just because it's, I can. Get my little frother. We can do. There's nothing wrong with making it from scratch, really. Here's my coffee. It tastes good. So again, tell me how many ingredients I put in. So I'm gonna use the same little cup. I know I didn't stop the video. I put cream in it. 1 packet of keto coffee. Put them in there. Stir it. When I'm on the road, I can't like run up into people's kitchen and talk about, can I get some turmeric and some cinnamon? That's just my little extra things. And we stir. Now, at this point, all you can do is add hot water. Oh, wait. I forgot. Because it's not sweetened. So, 1 scoop. So, for those of you all who just don't like sweetened coffee, it's not sweetened. Alright, man. Beautiful. See that? It's nice and pasty. Creamy. And so, especially if you don't have a frother. Ooh. And from this stage, really, if I wanted to make me a dessert, I could fold in some heavy whipping cream that's been whipped. Make me a mousse. But you know, it's all about that coffee. I like to drink mine with coffee. So I add coffee to my coffee. But you don't have to. You can just put it with hot water. You can actually put this in your smoothies. Some good stuff. So let me go ahead and get this. So, yeah. If you don't add cinnamon and turmeric to yours, then what is it? Your keto coffee, your sweetener if you want any, and your hot water or your other coffee. And if you don't use heavy whipping cream. So, but I use heavy whipping cream. And if I taste that, I've been drinking. So, 1, 2, your hot water or your coffee. And if you add cream or milk, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So how many ingredients did it take me to make my from scratch? Somebody tell me. Anyway, there you have it. And you may say, oh, but I can get that somewhere else. Some box store has a keto coffee. But for it to match ours, you will have to add some additional ingredients. Just FYI, if you didn't know. See ya.